Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change equalizer preset for your speaker JBL Horizon 3. You have to start by open JBL One application, and of course you need to add the speaker to the app. After that, tap on it and then scroll down. And right here we have Equalizer, so you can select some preset. JBL offer 4 for us, but right here we have a custom. You can select this one, but let's say I want a vocal preset. So I click at this preset, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!